Welcome to JewelStep, the ultimate cloud-based ERP solution for jewelry retailers and manufacturers. Today, let's dive into the salesperson dashboard in our JewelStep software. On the left-hand side, you'll find a list of multiple salespeople. Here you can track essential metrics for each salesperson, such as the number of invoices they've created and their total sales amount. For example, one salesperson has generated 56 sales invoices, totaling a sales amount of 108,056,502. On the right-hand side, you'll see the monthly sales performance section. You can select any salesperson to analyze their monthly performance. For instance, let's look at Irfan Dar. In May, his sales amounted to 95,052. In June, they increased to 6,60,151. With this dashboard, you can easily monitor whether the sales graph is increasing or decreasing over time. The dashboard also helps you identify valuable customers, including the number of repeat customers. For example, out of the 544 sales invoices created by Irfan Dar, 191 are from repeat customers. This feature provides a clear view of customer loyalty and retention. The JewelStep Salesperson dashboard gives you actionable insights to enhance performance, track trends, and build stronger customer relationships. Thank you for choosing JewelStep.